Hey, welcome to Cracked Country Cooking. I'm Ben. Today I'm going to show you how I make my Alfredo au gratin potatoes. Everybody loves them. They're cheesy, they're beautiful. You start with some russets and some Parmesan cheese that we got to grate. So let's get going. I don't know how to juggle. I don't know why I did that. I can't juggle.
All right, so when it comes to Parmesan, it doesn't really matter what brand you buy, as long as it says Parmigiano Reggiano and it has that label on it. That label means that has to be made the way the Europeans make it. That's a European stamp. So just buy it if it has that red and yellow label on it. That's all you need to know. All right, we're going to grate 120 grams of this Parmesan Reggiano.
Alright, in a large saucepan, you're going to want to put half a stick of butter in there over medium heat and let it melt.
Alright, take a mandolin on the 5mm setting, or you can hand slice them, but you need a lot of them, so it's just better to use a mandolin. Just watch your fingers. Alright, once you slice them like that, you're going to want to put them into a water bath to help get some of the starches off. And this will take a couple minutes. While the potatoes soak, we're going to take a container, put some butter in it, a paper towel, and wipe the inside of the container so nothing sticks to it. Gives you a better chance of actually getting it clean when you're done using it. All right, now let's go make the Alfredo sauce. All right, once you have the butter in here and it's starting to bubble, add some flour. Now let that cook out a little bit. It'll cook the flour taste out of it. It'll darken a little bit. We can get the rest of our ingredients ready. Pour those into a strainer, rinse them off, layer them on a cookie sheet lined with paper towels, and we will add paper towels to the top to dry them off. You want them pretty dry. Let those hang out for a minute and we'll finish the sauce. All right, we add some roasted garlic. All right, add in some heavy cream and stir it till it starts to thicken. Then add in a little bit more. Don't add it all at once, because then it takes forever to thicken. All right, it's getting pretty thick. I'll add the rest of our heavy cream. And to that, we're going to add 1 block of softened cream cheese. All right, taste it and then add seasoning. Needed some salt, pepper. It's also going to get a little bit of thyme and rosemary. I keep in an old pepper shaker or a pepper grinder, just so I can do this. All right, we'll stir that in. Make sure it's on low heat. All right, now we'll slowly add our Parmesan. Shut the heat off. Yeah, that's turning out wonderful. The sauce is just about done. Now we will start to layer these in. Try to pick sizes that are close. Now that your Alfredo sauce is done, pour it in. Until it just about reaches the top. Then let it sit and it'll even out. All right, after a minute or so, you can see that it's recessed. Now you got to start building your pile for the center. I'm going to use kind of smaller ones. All right, that was pretty close. I think I got one potato too many in there, but all right. Now let's just slowly drizzle this over the top. That should be good. All right, now move this out of the way. Now cover that with foil. Put it in 375-degree oven for 45 minutes. All right, now it's time to pull the potatoes out and make sure that they're all set. Then we'll take the aluminum foil off the top of them, put them back in there so they can finish cooking. Oh yeah, these are hot. They're very hot. All right, let's take the top off. Let's see what we got. Ooh. Oh yeah. All right. Now we'll put it back in the oven for probably another 30 minutes with no top on it. and let it rest for probably 15 minutes after that. All right, there you have it. That's potatoes. They need to sit for like 15 minutes or you will lose the roof of your mouth. All right, let's try these potatoes. I've been waiting for these to cool, but I can't wait any longer. So good. That is wrong. Man, that's good. Alright, I gotta stop. I'm gonna eat the whole thing. Alright, that's how I do my Alfredo style scalloped potatoes. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And stay tuned because there's more to come. Thanks for the support.